हाय, मैं अक्षत कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं दे दे प्यार दे 2 का ट्रेलर लॉन्च, जहाँ पे अजय देवगन, रकुलप्रीत सिंह और आर माधवन आए। उन्होंने इंटरेक्ट किया लोगों से और ट्रेलर दिखाया अपनी मूवी का। आइए देखते हैं क्या कहना है उनका।
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, can we please make a lot of noise and start clapping for the star cast of De De Pyar Me Do. Come on! And please give it up for Ajay sir, Madhavan sir, Rakulpreet Singh, Lisa, and also our director, Mr. Anshul, if you could also join us, please. Guys, बहुत सारा दिल्ली वाला शोर चाहिए यार. Come on, guys, to the on stage. First of all, thank you to everyone for.
नहीं है यहाँ के लोग लाइट की तरफ वेट करते हैं तो उनके लिए सबसे पहले ट्रेलर देखना तो जरूरी है. So thank you guys. I hope you like the trailer and you like it. That's why we love you too.
Also, Anisa, fantastic trailer. It's so good to see you guys again in this franchise. I personally really love the first one. It's one of my favorite films, and so happy to see you again in a very comedic role. I wanted to know this personally. Is movie का जो theme चल रहा है, which is प्यार versus परिवार. So I really wanted to know this sir, real life में कभी आपके साथ काजोल मैम के टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ कि एज अ बॉयफ्रेंड जब आप गए तो आपने भी कोई टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स अपनाई हो टू विन द परिवार विद द प्यार?
नहीं उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. थोड़ा बहुत तो करना ही पड़ता है बट बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी.
बट मे बी सर जो इतने सारे लोग हैं जिनका प्रॉब्ली कोई टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स देना चाहिए कि ज़्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट मत बनो और ऐसा
ज़्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट मत करो. जो जितना रिलेशनशिप में बिहेवियर दिखा सकते हो उतना ही करना. ज़्यादा करोगे तो एक्सपेक्टेशन ना.
Rakul, so nice to see you again in this film playing as Aisha. Wanted to know how refreshing was it, because you've done a series of work after the first one, and how did you relate to the character and how refreshing was it to play Aisha again?
You know, Aisha is one of my most favorite characters, and the kind of love that Aisha's character got from Tere Pyar De 1, I think all of us were very excited, not just me, for reliving that. And I think she's a very feisty girl, बहुत ही मजेदार character है. So I've had even more fun, I can say double the fun while shooting part 2, and I really hope everyone gives double the love.
I have a second question for you, Rakul, because the theme of the movie is Pyar versus Parivar. So I want to give you a situation here.
Okay.
Let's say it's your birthday, right? And you're cutting a cake. आपके left side में आपका प्यार है और आपके husband, and आपके right side में आपके father साहब है, which is your परिवार. तो जैसे आप birthday का केक काटेंगे, आप पहला bite किसकी तरफ लेके जाएंगे? प्यार की तरफ कि परिवार की तरफ?
मैं 2 स्लाइस काटूंगी. मैं 2 स्लाइस काटूंगी.
और तो बहुत खा लोगे वो भी better. दोनों से लेके खा लोगे. और मैं glass के लिए round glass please. Madhavan sir, I really wanted to know, you're playing kind of like a villain in this pura parivar drama, and second time you're working.
Not at all with it. Not at all with it.
सर हमें तो आपके लिए वो लग रहा था कि हमारे अजय सर के साथ मैंडी सर कैसा कर रहे हैं, तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देख रहे थे. तो and again second time working with Ajay sir, how was the experience, and also jumping in on the sequel of the franchise? How was the experience for you?
For me, I'm in love with Ajay sir. So whatever he calls me for, I want to do it from love and dedication. So I knew that I was jumping into a family that had already been established, and but it was such an awesome experience. Anshul, the director, made the whole family whole by getting us all together and making us feel so wanted, especially me and Nizar who are new to this cast, and we didn't feel like we didn't do the earlier film. And working with Ajay and Rakul and Nizar and his father and everybody, it has been, very rarely can I say, I was feeling sad and back up happy.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, कि यार बैकअप के बाद अगर आपके एक्टर्स सेट पे रुके रहते हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं, I think that's a very good sign that they're really enjoying their work, and they're really enjoying the work. I'm very sure the audience will enjoy it.
The bond shows in the trailer and also here. Nizar, what an entry in the trailer. Yeah, the whole crowd was just going crazy, and in fact, Ajay sir's punch after that 30 साल बाद आप ही कर रहे हैं, कितनी ट्रेनिंग एंड टिप्स आपने अजय सर से ली इसके लिए?
नहीं बहुत ही एक्चुअली गाइडेड मी एंड हेल्प मी आउट थ्रू आउट द होल प्रोसेस एंड आई एम सुपर ग्रेटफुल कि ऐसी टीम के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला. You know, I would like to thank Bhushan sir, Ajay sir and Love sir for this, and thank you Anshul sir for bringing out the performance, and it's an honor truly to be standing on stage with my fellow co-stars, and I thoroughly enjoyed the process.
अब जो ट्रेलर में वाला सीन आ रहा था, ऐसे जब आपका सीन आपने मुड़ के अजय सर की तो देखी ये क्या रिएक्शन है?
मैं तो सिर्फ टांगों को देख रहा था कि भैया वापस जुड़ना चाहिए.
Anshul sir, you know, आप second part पे आके direct कर रहे हैं. So as a from a director's point of view, how is it challenging or is it fun because you have to maintain the storyline from the first one and yet also have your own taste and essence to it. So how is it like joining the whole crew and making this crazy movie out there?
यार उसका सेकंड पार्ट का इसके प्रोज भी हैं कॉन्स भी हैं. प्रोज ये है कि कैरेक्टर जो है अजय सर का रकुल का वो सब पहले से बने हुए हैं, उस पर आपको ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना है. बट मैडी सर गौतम मैम ये सब जो पूरी नई फैमिली है वो नए कैरेक्टर्स थे, तो प्रोज भी हैं कॉन्स भी हैं. बट मैं फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी क्रिएटिवली
I just wanted to say that Anshul was there in the first part also throughout.
Oh,
so
sorry, bad social my part. No, okay. Now, sir. Yes. Now I would also like to call all the producers and the whole team so that we can open the questions for the media as well. Can we, with a huge round of applause, can we please welcome Mr. Bhushan Kumar, Mr. Love Rajya, and Ankur Garg as well. Can we have you guys on stage also, please? And we can also now start with the media questions.
हाँ माइक शुरू करें. आप हाथ उठाते रहना, माइक आपके पास आता रहेगा. आप बैठे रहो, हाथ उठाना, माइक आता.
एक मिनट.
हाँ पूजा शुरू
हाँ
करो.
जी.
पूजा शुरू करो.
Hi everybody. It's so nice to see you all here in Delhi. So Ajay sir, I want to ask you two questions. Firstly, this is your, the Cinex. I want to know the mind of Ajay Devgan as the business entrepreneur versus the actor. How does it work? Is there any difference?
Business, I mean, I think there's not much difference. I mean, there's passion in both. When you're working in a film, you love filmmaking, and when you're performing also, so there's you do it with full passion. And when you do business, and business which is connected with the film industry, because the passion is for the film industry. So it's the same kind of passion. I mean, the hard work we do so that you all can watch the films. So we should create an atmosphere also where you can watch it completely and enjoy it.
And talking about passion, I like your conviction over more than 3 decades now about working relentlessly, bringing various genres, and this is hilarious, how hilarious I would say. Despite the current scenario, what is that one thing that keeps you going? I mean, there would be people writing anything, whatever is happening, but you have this.
You really need to believe in yourself. You need to trust your instincts. Keep working. I don't think there's place for too much insecurity. I think life is too short for that. And that is what I keep telling the younger generation also. If you really like something from your heart, go ahead and do it. चलेगी नहीं चलेगी बात में देखेंगे. But अगर आपको दिल से पसंद आई कोई चीज, तो करना चाहिए.
Maddie, on a lighter note, what was it like to play Ajay Devgan's girlfriend's father in the film?
I was very nervous. कभी बाप का रोल तो मैंने किया नहीं है, और वो भी अजय सर के साथ कम्पीट करते हुए. But I have to tell you, the reason I enjoy my work so much is because it gives me some amazing people that I get to meet, which will enhance the way I look at cinema and my career. So Ajay Devgan sir has been exactly one of those. The amount of security he has on the set, And so I have seen other actors who come there and they are so busy on the set because there are so many things going on. With Ajay sir, it's so exemplary that you learn. He's always 100% on the set. You can't tell that he's got so many businesses going on or he's taking care of the family, his banking, his team, everything. he's 100% on the set, and every shot he's 100% there. So for me, that was such a crazy, enlightening knowledge, and I'm trying to emulate that as much as possible.
Thank you.
And it's very rare that you stay connected with the people you work with all the time after the film is over. But after Shaitan also, Maddie and me have always been connected. I think we got along so well and we always had a great time and we're still always connected.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
My question for Bhushan sir. Bhushan sir, you have built a long-standing partnership with superstars like Ajay Devgan and different directors across genres. What's the key to sustaining these relationships?
Really fantastic.
Yes, sir.
Here.
See, key is means you work hard, means and you build great cinema, and we have long-standing relationship with Ajay sir from long. We have done 7-8 films together, there's countless films, and it is always lovely working with him. He's so down to earth and he gives that kind of space to the producer. So it's very, very encouraging when you are working with him. And with love films and love is again we have a very long-standing relationship. So there's a regular question which I answer every time because इतना ज़्यादा काम कर लिया है साथ में, तो अभी it is like a family and entire people in the film, Maddie sir and Rakul, Mizan, everybody has worked very brilliantly in this film. तो हमने film देखी है, पूरी टीम ने T series में film देखी है and it's a very good film and I'm sure I've worked very hard on it. So it's all thanks to him. He has worked really hard as a director.
Thanks. For Mizan also. Mizan, you recreated that iconic pose of Ajay sir. So were you nervous when you were trying that pose and did you take any tips from sir?
To be honest, I was very nervous. It's an iconic pose which it belongs to Sir, and I was just grateful that they gave me the opportunity to do something like that in the film. At the end of the day, credit goes to the maker. Director ने मुझे वो मौका दिया कि वैसा scene दिखा कि मैं कर पाऊँ. But I tried to do it as much as I could. Sir actually helped me a lot in the scene. But I hope that people like it, and it is actually quite an important fact for them.
You're also working with your father. How was that?
It is the first time I'm working with my father. It was a lovely experience, and I'm not going to say much. I want you guys to watch what happens in the
It was a lovely experience for him on set. Off set, I don't know if he was running. He kept running away from his father.
Hello to you all, sir. Ajay sir, I want to ask a question. This is your 8th sequel, I think. तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि मैंने प्यार तुम्हीं से किया है। क्वेश्चन सर यही पर है सर, प्लीज फूलों काटे भी दे दो।
अगर कोई अच्छा पार्ट स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगा उसका तो जरूर
लव सर हिमांशु दिस साइड। सर हमेशा से आपकी फिल्में देख के आ रहे हैं और जब आपकी फिल्म देखकर बाहर निकलते हैं तो एक अलग खुशी चेहरे पर होती है। और इस बार भी सेकंड सीरीज आप लेके आ रहे हैं अजय सर के साथ, किस तरीके का पूरा ओवरऑल मूवमेंट रहा? एंड वी रियली मिसिंग तब्बू जी नहीं है इस बार, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यार क्या है ना, ये अगर पार्ट वन आपने देखा होगा तो उसमें कहानी ये थी कि अजय सर जो आशीष का कैरेक्टर है वो आयशा को अपने घर लेके जाते हैं। अब वो कहानी तो वहाँ खत्म हो गई। तो इस फिल्म में है कि अब लड़की इनको लेके जाती है अपने घर, तो होपफुली ये सबको पसंद आएगी तो तीसरी में दोनों परिवारों को मिलाएंगे।
हाँ चलो
सर दिस साइड मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है सर आपसे कि पार्ट में सर दिस साइड जब आपका पार्ट में आया था देखा तो काफी ज्यादा बॉक्स ऑफिस पे बड़ा हिट हुआ था, तो इससे क्या आप एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखते हैं और अपने फैंस को क्या ऐड करना चाहोगे?
मेरा जो आदमी में काम करता है और पार्ट टू बनाता है पूरे एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता है वही करेगा। आदमी यही सोच के फिल्म करता है कि ये भी लोगों को पसंद आए और चले और उतने एंटरटेन करे लोगों को। माय एक्सपेक्टेशन और यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हम सबके हिसाब से फिल्म बहुत अच्छी बनी है। अंशुल ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, तो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड सबको आई होप पसंद है।
Ajay sir, this side. You are also known for Diwali releases. So, what is your message for this year's Diwali और आपके क्या plans हैं?
This year's Diwali का एक बड़ा special message है वो है Happy Diwali to everybody in your house. बस वही ऐसा कोई
अजय सर इन फ्रंट सर लव रंजन सर के काम के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए इसकी जो स्क्रिप्टिंग है और जिस तरीके से उनकी फिल्म होती है प्यार का बचना आपने देखा
I love love films because the way he makes his films और जो लिखावट है I think वो बहुत ही अच्छी है आज की है और नॉवल है जो बेसिकली ये सुनाता भी है he's so excited कि ये कुछ नया लिखा है and it's always very very nice so I love his writing.
रघुनाथ this side, Daniel said from punjabkesari.com. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, आपके साथ इस फिल्म में दो इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हैं, तो इनके साथ बेस्ट मेमोरी कौन सी थी और क्या कुछ आपने इनसे सीखा है?
Well, I think the whole experience is a beautiful memory. अभी मैं एक तो pinpoint नहीं कर सकती, but like Maddie sir said earlier कि कुछ फिल्में होती है, कुछ sets होते हैं कि last day पे आपको लगता है कि क्यों खत्म हो गई film. So I think this is one of those films. And I think what I've really learned from this is my third association with Ajay sir and first with Maddie sir. But what I've learned is that their passion, the hard work that they put in behind the character. It's just amazing, and no matter how many years you've been in the industry, that excitement for a film and that passion has to remain, you know. So I think I've really enjoyed the entire journey.
Hello everyone, sir in front here. Yeah, Karan this side. My question to Maddie कि आपकी पहली मूवी जो थी उसमें आपको क्लीन शेव लुक देखा था, आज काफी दिनों बाद आप क्लीन शेव हैं सेकंड
मेरे पास अच्छा ब्लेड है
कोई प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है क्या?
हाँ भाई ये साल बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं जिसमें अलग अलग लुक है तो क्लीन शेवन होने से वो लुक में घुसने की आसानी हो जाती है दाढ़ी होगा तो मुश्किल है इसी फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं मुझे रकुल के बाप बन के आना था
जो आप लग नहीं रहे हो
ये यार थोड़ा वो भी अच्छे डाई का कमाल है थैंक यू यार कॉम्प्लीमेंट
अजय सर आपकी दृश्यम मूवी को लेकर के लोग बड़े उत्साहित है कि कब आएगी कब लॉन्च होगी उसको लेकर के लोग सब बातें कर रहे हैं सर उसको लेकर क्या करना चाहिए ऑडियंस वेट करिए सर
दिसंबर में लॉन्च होगी जब लॉन्च होगी उसके बाद
That's great, sir. Thank you.
Ankur, in a time when there are so many sequels that are made, which can be hit or miss, what do you think are the essentials to ensure that the franchisee is kept alive?
Sorry, I didn't hear that question.
In a time when so many sequels are made, which can be a hit or a miss, what do you think are the essentials to ensure that the franchisee is kept alive?
See, every sequel comes with a lot of expectations, which means all of us who are involved with the film have a much bigger responsibility to fulfill. So all that we make sure is we are able to fulfill that responsibility as as good as possible. At least in this case, Dede Pyar De 2, we know it's actually a true sequel. It's not really that we are just using the title. It's actually a true continuation of a story. So people who have seen the first film are definitely gonna enjoy watching the second part of the story.
Alright, thank you so much to our friends in media. This moment calls for a group picture. Can we also have on stage co-producer of the film, Mr. Shiv Charana, President T-Series, Neeraj Kalamji, and the DOP of the film, Mr. Sudhir Chaudhary. If you guys can come on stage and have a picture.
ये तो आपने देख लिया उनका क्या कहना है, क्या उन्होंने कहा, क्या उनकी राय थी। अब वीडियो में मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए आपको कैसा लगा, आपकी क्या राय है। वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और पेज को फॉलो कीजिए जितना हो सके।